Hey everyone! How's it going? It's Nora here, and today, we're diving into a hot topic that's been making waves in the health scene, Moringa Magic. If you're considering adding this powerhouse superfood to your daily routine, hold on a second. I've got all the essential info you need before you hit that buy now button. Plus, I'll be dropping some key warnings that could save you some serious money, so stick with me until the end of this video. First things first, heads up. Moringa Magic is getting a lot of attention right now, and with that comes the usual online scams. If you're planning to make a purchase, be extra cautious about where you buy it. This product is only available through the official website, and trust me, you don't want to risk it with shady sellers. To keep things easy, I've included the official link right below in the video description and pinned it in the first comment. No excuses. Now, let's get into the good stuff. I'm right here in the corner of your screen, ready to share my personal experience with Moringa Magic. Is it legit? Does it really live up to the hype? Let's break it all down. So, what is Moringa Magic? It's all about tapping into the power of moringa, a plant often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. This stuff is loaded with nutrients. Think vitamins A, C, and E, along with minerals like calcium, potassium, and iron. Plus, it's packed with amino acids and antioxidants that can seriously boost your overall health. Here's what Moringa Magic brings to the table. Nutrient powerhouse, moringa leaves are like a nutritional treasure trove. Antioxidant boost, helps fight oxidative stress, which can reduce your risk of chronic diseases. Anti-inflammatory, if you're dealing with inflammation, moringa might help calm things down. Blood sugar control, managing diabetes? Moringa could be a game changer for you. Digestive health, it's also great for your gut, thanks to its high fiber content. So, how do you get moringa into your daily routine? It's super simple. Powder, mix a teaspoon into your smoothies, juices, or soups. Start small and let your body adjust. Capsules, if convenience is your thing, just follow the directions on the label. Tea, brew up some moringa leaves for a nutritious tea, enjoy it hot or cold, however you like it. So, what's the final verdict? Moringa Magic really delivers when it comes to health benefits, and the best part? It's super easy to use. The official Moringa Magic video content lays it all out for you, how it works, why it works, and how you can make it work for you. So, if you're ready to take your health up a notch, this could be exactly what you're looking for. And remember, the official link is in the description and the first comment. Don't get caught by the fakes. Thanks for sticking around with me today. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment if you've tried Moringa Magic or have any questions, and of course, don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. Catch you in the next one. Peace.